What section? The word is window.
Window. It says M. M.
Upside down M. What's that? What's an upside down M? A W.
A W is that way.
Yeah.
W.
Flip it.
Well, it's not that way. It's that way.
Yeah.
W. 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 And the children.
Wait, you didn't do all the letters.
And the children's tree. And the children.
Hey, come do yours. Come do yours, Camden. Come do yours. Camden, if you keep whining, you'll go back to timeout.
Impatient.
Do the rest of the letters.
Impatient.
In.
That's an upside down one.
Well, it's a D.
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 D. And upside down.
Well, what do you call it? It's a W.
A W.
I was just trying to help you remember.